Do you know that 93% of consumers read online reviews before making a purchase? And even a more interesting statistic is that 58% of consumers would be ready to pay more for your products, and all you have to do is have good reviews about your business. So now you know how important it is to have positive reviews from your customers, and this is exactly why you should always have a specific place to host reviews from your customers. However, the problem is many customers are not willing to leave reviews about your product or your services, and this is exactly why I have brought to you a very useful tool called Saastic. This is a tool that requests reviews from your customers automatically, and when you send a request to your customers who have received good product or services from you, chances are they will not reject your request. They are going to accept your request and they are going to leave a good review about your business or your service. So hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. So I am going to talk about Saastic today, and there are a lot of features on Saastic, such as you can request customer reviews, you can even host your landing page, you can also capture the negative feedback, and here is a very interesting feature. So if someone leaves a negative feedback, it is going to show on the feedback form, but it is not going to show on your product review links, and this way you can prevent harmful public reviews. There are also some other features, such as you will get real-time notifications about the reviews, you can showcase your reviews, and so many other features. If you want to buy Saastic, there is not a better time than right now because it is available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. So by paying only $49, you can get lifetime access to Saastic, and keep in mind the regular pricing is over $1,400, so you are saving a lot of money if you buy this deal from Appsumo. So if you want to buy this deal, make sure you check the link in the description. Saastic is an alternative to Google Reviews, Reviews.io and Testimonial. Now let's have a look at the features of this Appsumo deal. So there are currently 3 plans. The plan 1 costs $49 and the review request limit per month is 5,000. The plan 2 costs $98 and the review request limit is 10,000. The plan 3 costs $147 with a limit of 15,000. There is also a subscription plan for Saastic, and for that you have to choose the amount of review requests you need. So for example, you need to send 500 review requests, and for that you have to pay $29 per month on the monthly plan, and if you go to the yearly plan there is a 10% saving. So this way you can choose the perfect plan for you. After you log into Saastic, you will get this dashboard, and from here you can see all of the ratings that you are getting. You can see the bad ratings as well as the good ones. You can also see some stats such as total reviews, average review, messages sent and messages clicked, and in this section all of the recent reviews will appear. So if I go back to the top, you can see some options such as your email templates, your form, your landing page, and the option to showcase your reviews, the links to third-party reviews, and the settings. So let's first go to settings, because on the settings menu there are some really important settings. So from here you can set your project, your website, your address, and if it is local business you can enable it, then the currency, the language, analytics ID. You can also add your logo, icon, and SEO title, description, image, and even slug. And then on the next menu you can see all the strategies that are dedicated to requesting reviews. So as you can see, the first one is trigger. So from here you have to set when you want to send a request, and keep in mind that this strategy section is dedicated to the automation of sending review requests. As I have told you earlier, you do not have to send manually review requests. You can also automate the whole process simply by clicking on this button, and then you can click on enable automatic review collection, and based on your strategy, which are these ones, so these strategies are the base of the automation. So the first option is the trigger. From here you can select when to send review request. So it could be after signing up, or it could be after the customer has been charged. You can also wait for a specific days. You can also send thank you message from here if you want, and then there are some conditions. So the people that are going to receive your review request, do you want them to have an active subscription? You can select your choice from here. You can also select the number of charges, total charges, average charge, and then there is is the reminders. So if someone is still not sending review, you can send them reminders, and you can set the wait between reminders days from here. You can also send text messages as your review request. You can also control the daily request limit as well as the monthly one. And then there is the email section. So from here you can see the email templates. So Saastic is going to send review requests to your customers through their emails, and for the automation emails, this is the email template. So you can select the subject and the body. You can also select incentives from here, and then you can set your sender information such as your name, your email address, and the reply to email. And the next section on this settings is SMS. So if you want to send SMS review request, you can set your template or adjust your template from this box. And then there is the form. So you can change the template or the text of your form by changing the title, the body, review getting, native reviews, redirect. There are also some other options such as QR code, ratings. And then let's go to the next section, which is showcase. So from here you can change some settings about showcasing your reviews such as title, filter, show the reviews with specific ratings and the date. And then there is the custom domain option. So as you can see, all of the emails, all of the review requests are sent from this particular email, and if you want to change that, you have to add your own sending domain from here. And then there are the integration options. So for CRMs, there are HubSpot and Stripe. From these two platforms you can import your customers, and for alerts you have Slack integration, and the last one is SMS, and for that you get Twilio integration. So let's go to this customer section. So on this customer section you can add all of your customers, and then you have to start sending them review requests. So there are three ways you can send review requests to your customers. The first thing you want to do is click on import, and as you can see, you can send manual request by filling these boxes. You can also upload your CSV file containing the information about your customers. You can also use the integration options to add customers. So let's do a manual entry. Let's fill these boxes. So as you can see, I have filled all the boxes, and a great feature on this section is you can even schedule your review request directly from here. For that you have to tick this box, and as you can see, this is the schedule date, this is the channel, and then you can also set reminders directly from here. So let's not do that. Let's just create a customer. As you can see, the new customer has appeared, and for example, he has used your product or your service. Now you want him to leave a review about your product, and for that you just have to click on this request review, and then you have to choose the request date, the channel, and the reminder. So let's request a review, and as you can see on the right side, it is now saying requested review, which means the review request has been sent. So let's open this customer, and now as you can see, you will get all of his information. You can request a review once again. You can also add a review of his own from here by filling these boxes such as the rating, the review, the date, and the source. So it could be a lot of sources. And if you scroll down, you can see the request has been sent a few seconds ago, and it is still not sent. You can also see if your email has been delivered, opened, clicked, or if the sending has been failed. And then you can see the SMS if you have sent one. Okay, so our message has been sent. So let's check out the email and see how the message has appeared. So as you can see, this is the email. You can see the sender information from here and the subject, and this is the message. So directly from this email you can start giving the review. For example, the service has been good, so let's select good, and as you can see, now we are redirected to the landing page, and let's type a review. Now let's send this review, and as you can see, we have received a message saying thanks for your feedback. So let's see if we have received the review on our dashboard. So this was the customer that I sent the review request to, and as you can see, his review has now appeared on this dashboard. You can also reply to this review, edit it, hide it, or delete it, and as you can see, all of the status of my email are now appearing. Now let's go to the next section, which is reviews. So from here you can see all of the reviews, and as you can see, I have received one good review, and this is that review. This is the customer name, the rating, the source, the review, and the date. And if you already received some good reviews from your customers on platforms such as Trustpilot, Capterra, G2, Appsumo, you can also show them on Saastic. All you have to do is go to the customer section, and you can choose a customer, then click on add review, and then you have to choose the rating, the review, the date, and the source. So let's select Capterra. data and then click on create review. So as you can see, a review has been created and this is on behalf of this John Robert, and as you can see the source is here, the date and the review is also here. So let's visit the email section. So from here you can see the status of your emails, which means the review request emails. You can also see the SMS statuses from here, and there are some other options such as the links. So you can add links to your listing on third-party review sites from this section. And then the last option is widgets. So from here you will get widgets like review wall, review spotlight. So overall I think Saastic is a very useful tool for businesses, and as I have showed at the start of the video, people are going to trust your business and you are also going to sell a lot of your products or services if you are acquiring good reviews. And a lot of the times customers are not leaving reviews or they are also forgetting. In such a situation Saastic comes in super handy. It sends them review request. Even if they do not respond, you can also send them some reminders, and the best part is all of these processes can be automated, which is amazing. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description, and these are the 3 plans that you can buy from Appsumo. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you do, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.